Welcome to the Long Run. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christine.
What are we doing today?
It's time for us to share our 1 month grocery haul. This month we decided to order from Kroger. If you're not familiar with our channel, we do not have a physical Kroger store that we can walk into, but we can order the groceries from them online. So we decided this month to order from them online because we were seeing some really great deals. So, but we still had to shop at our other stores. So we have a Aldi, Walmart, Kroger, and Sam's Club haul for you.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, we are back with our Aldi haul, and we actually bought this before our Kroger haul was delivered because we couldn't get a time for Kroger to deliver until like noon, but we like to hit Aldi as early as possible. So that's why this is kind of a small haul. We didn't plan to buy cheese at Aldi. That was on the list if it was a good price, but we're assuming because Hurricane Helene that maybe like people bought out the shelves because they were completely empty of a lot of things, including cheese. So we couldn't buy our cheese at Aldi. Maybe at Walmart. If not, we'll just have to switch some things around, maybe make some things in a different order so that we don't have to have the cheese until a little bit later. So here's what we got. We got pepitas. For some reason, I'm having trouble saying that. I tried like 3 times to say it. Pepitas. And it's actually for a salad that I'm going to be making. And it's kind of a fall salad. It doesn't really get fall here until like winter. But I was like, I want to try this salad and see what happens. It's actually a salad that I'm probably going to be sharing maybe the 1st of November as part of some like a Thanksgiving recipe ideas video, like for side dishes. So it's a salad that you could use. And so I did need pepitas and some salad greens for that, obviously. We are making a recipe that you will see in our Croctober series, either in the first one or the third or the second one. We're going to have one on October 7th, one on the 21st. And one has like a Mexican flavor to it. And our son always likes to have tortilla chips with anything that has that Mexican flavor to it. So we got a bag of that. We got some grits because we are stocking up for the whole month. And so we knew we would need some at some point. We got some salsa. I have it for some recipe. Don't remember what. Our son is into the peanut butter and jelly right now, so we just got him a backup of peanut butter and jelly. And then I was just, like I said, in the mood for some fall dishes, so I got some Brussels sprouts. All right, here is our Walmart haul, and it was $51 and something. I'll put it on the screen because I don't remember at the moment. We needed to stock up on some coconut sugar. I've been making some recipes here for the channel, and I used up a lot of my coconut sugar. And we also use it for barbecue sauce, so I needed some more. All right, and Joel got one of his French breads. I got some more bananas. Our son's cookies and cream Pop-Tarts, got 4 of those. Some penne pasta for a recipe we're doing for the channel. And anytime I say recipe we're doing for the channel, it is what we're actually eating for dinner. We don't make extra recipes unless we're eating it for our meals, unless it's the 12 days of Christmas treats, in which I send all of that to Joel's work. So I don't have that temptation in my life. So we needed some molasses. That we use that to make barbecue sauce. And so it lasts a pretty good while. So I was almost out. Black beans, pasta sauce. Now, anytime that we buy pasta sauce or marinara sauce and it's for our son, we'll buy the one at Aldi because he doesn't care. But if we buy it and we know that Joel's eating it, we get the Ragu Simply from Walmart because Joel doesn't like the Aldi version, has a lot of chunky texture to it, and he doesn't enjoy that. So We needed 1 can of black beans. I got 2 sweet potatoes. We needed a bell pepper for a recipe. We needed some more garlic. We actually needed sliced Monterey Jack cheese, but we couldn't find any, so we decided to get Colby Jack instead. We have some crescent rolls. We do prefer the brand name on this because what we have found is on the generic, it breaks apart and falls apart. So if it's a recipe where you're not trying to use it like a crescent roll and roll it up, then it would be fine probably for the generic. But if you're using it for something where you're going to roll it up into that crescent roll, you don't want it constantly falling apart on you. All right, and I needed some more yogurt, and Joel needed some more creamer. And these cheeses is not really for a snack. It is actually for a recipe that we are going to be doing. We're going to be sharing a recipe that our daughter-in-law really likes making, and this was an ingredient that you use for it. And while it wasn't for a snack, Joel will be eating the leftovers, I'm sure.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. So we ordered our Kroger haul here online yesterday, and they had it, or was it Thursday? I don't remember. Anyway, they had it delivered to us on Saturday around noon. So we did go ahead and do some grocery hauls that were at Aldi and Walmart based on the things that we did not find at a good price here on Kroger, but we could not pass up some of the deals that were in the Kroger circular this time. Because they're excellent stock up hauls. So always be watching your circulars, and when you see a really good price that you know is good price, then go for it. Okay, so both of these were on a Boost deal, and it was 99 cents for the sugar and 99 cents for the flour. So we could not pass those up. We are putting that in our stockpile. Also, we have tortilla chips, and I think they were $1.99 for the bag. And the the bread here. What was the bread, Joel?
49 cents.
49 cents for this pack of bread. Can you believe that? It's a pound and 4 ounces. So a 20-ounce pack like all the other ones, and 49 cents. So couldn't pass that up. What was your grapes? They were like 79 cents per pound. $1 per pound. Okay, well anyway, it is much cheaper than what we are paying at Aldi or Walmart right now because it was on that clearance deal. I know these carrots were only 77 cents for the whole bag, and we actually needed baby carrots for a recipe anyway. So we went ahead and got it there. These andouille sausages, we got 2 of them, and they were, was it $2.99? Okay, so we normally spend $3.98 for one. So that means we got it for right at $1 less than normal. So we saved $2 by getting it there. We also got these 2-pound blocks of cheese here, Sharp, Colby Jack, and mild, and they were, I believe, $4.99 for each one of them. And normally, right now, this is costing $7.32 or somewhere around in there. It's over $7 at Walmart for a 2-pound. So this was an excellent deal. So we got 3 of them, and we'll be freezing some of that. And our son likes Pringles, and we normally get the Clancy brand at Aldi, and it's normally $1.69. But these were on sale for $1.49 as long as you bought 5 of them, which we would have bought 5 anyway because this is a 1-month haul. All right, and our final haul is a Sam's Club haul, and it's expensive for 3 things. But that is 3 liters of olive oil, and it was $32, I think. I'll put the amount on the screen. And then my shakes, which do last me a little longer than a month because I only use a third of each shake every day. So I'm not completely out, but I was going to be out before the end of the month. So we went ahead and got it, but it's $20.98. And this is the honey. It's $14.98, and that is 100% organic, raw, and unfiltered honey. So that's why it's kind of on the expensive side, but I do like that. And it lasts me a really long time. Honey, you don't have to go through honey really fast unless you're using it like every day. And I don't. I only use it a little bit, so over time. So anyway, this was the whole Sam's Club haul. I think it was about $68.
All right, well, there you have it. There's our hauls for the week, for the month so far.
We know that by the time that you see this, the Kroger deals aren't there, but they do this from time to time. So we don't buy from Kroger every week because we don't see those deals there every week. But if you watch those circulars by looking at the flip out, when you see deals like that where they're like 49 cents for a pack of bread or $1 for flour, that's when you jump in and you order from them and stock up.
Yeah. All right, so drop some comments below and let us know how you do your grocery hauls. Do you do once a week? Do you once a month? Do you bi-weekly? Do you go to multiple grocery stores? So let us know how you do that in the comments. We'd really love to know any tips you have. Also, as far as grocery hauls, we'd love to hear those as well.
Yeah.
All right, but that's going to do it today for the long run. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.